Meantime, someone who went up against the Clinton machine in Arkansas threw his hat into the ring today, former Governor Mike Huckabee.
I don't come from a family dynasty, but a working family. I grew up blue collar, not blue blood. So I ask you to join with me today, not just so I can be president, but so we can preserve this great republic, and someday so that your children and grandchildren can still go from hope to higher ground.
Obviously a message delivered in Hope, Arkansas, his hometown.
Well, in the humble origin sweepstakes, he's a contender there. But the title of his book that just came out is God, Guns, Grits, and Gravy. The tour he's now on post-announcement is the Factories, Farms, and Freedom Tour. If the nomination goes to the man with the highest alliteration, he wins. The problem is, he won Iowa once before. He has to win it again, really. The only person who's done that twice in contested caucuses was Bob Dole in '88 and '96, and he did it by having the evangelicals, but only the evangelicals. This time around, before he can expand on that, he has to compete with, among others, two pastors' sons, Ted Cruz and Scott Walker. And he has a record of saying things that make it hard to see him campaigning in Michigan and Pennsylvania and elsewhere. He says the United States is on the verge of criminalizing Christianity. He said that this horrific shooting in Sandy Hook in Connecticut was the result of removing God from the schools. And he said that if the Supreme Court comes down with a constitutional right to same-sex marriage, it should be treated as just an opinion and not the law of the land. Now, we've had some experience before with an Arkansas governor who had that attitude toward the federal courts. His name was Orville Faubus, and it took the United States Army, because of him, to integrate Central High and Little Rock. I'm not sure we want to do that again.